Scared me.
There you go.
Oh yeah, we're going on Legoland ride. Alright, let's see what character you run into first. So no splashing, you guys, so no going like that. Is that Red Riding Hood? Hey yo, who's that? Who's that? Look! Whoa. Look, it's Red Riding Hood. Ah, it's the wolf! Guys, it's the wolf! It's the wolf! Ah. Look at it's little Red Riding Hood. It's the wolf!
Hi, Red Riding Hood. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared when I'm excited. Guys, the wolf!
Hey, yo, that's kind of sus if I do say so myself. I'm joking. It's the big bad wolf. I know, I saw.
It's the 3 little pigs.
3 little piggies. Yeah, baby.
No, Ani.
The 3 little pigs? Yeah.
It's the wolfie. Look.
It's gonna blow.
No. Look it. No. The houses. Look at the clothes. Hansel and Gretel. Right? Hansel and Gretel.
Yep.
Oh my
It's
God,
that candy house.
The witch, you wicked witch of the west talk.
Look at that.
Hey, does that go have boxing gloves?
Yes, the Billy Goat Gruff.
Yeah.
Patrol.
Look at him.
Oh, it's the ogre and the Billy Goat Grubs. Look at the wicked witch and her cat. Hi. Hi, ogre! Look. Guys, look. He's in the water. You cannot see. I don't think he comes up.
Is he gonna get up?
I'm not sure. I don't think he gets up.
Who's this?
It's I don't know. I forgot his name. Why does he have a phone?
He's got a shoe. Who loses her shoe?
Cinderella! Did you just say Tinkerbell? Cinderella, get your facts straight.
Fairy godmother.
It's the fairy godmother and Cinderella.
She's cleaning up.
And then the other princess. Look it, who is that? I feel like this is Disney but Legos.
Yep.
Who is these people, guys? Who are these? It's
Red Riding Hood.
no, it's
Who has 7 dwarfs?
yeah, who has 7 dwarves on? You get your facts straight. Who is it? A dwarf?
Oh, it's Cinderella.
Cinderella.
Oh,
Yeah.
She wears a blue dress with yellow.
And she has a red
Snow
bow.
White.
Yeah. You were Snow White. She was.
Look, he's sleeping.
Hey yo, that's kind of sus. I'm joking.
Look at
Oh, look.
sus. Her face sucks.
This is our toilet. I can't see her face. Move the helmet. Why is she staring into my soul? What? She's just like this.
Look at
She's like this.
it's a bird.
She's like this.
Look at the guy.
Hey, it's Jack. It's Jack and the speed stop. Who's the goat? Oh wait, no, that's not a goat. That's the That's the
Water
goose.
tank.
Yeah.
Look at cowboy.
Who's that? Who's that? I forgot who his name is. Is it that? Like a ladder? Guys, you're gonna go to the cave. Guys, are you guys scared?
It's not scary. Who's that?
Shut up. Whoa! Look at the Legos. It's the treasure. Treasure. Mine. Look at it's a genie. Who's that? It's Aladdin. Get your back straight. Hey, isn't that Red Riding Hood? We already saw it, didn't we?
Yeah.
Wow, she's going to Grandma's house.
Grandma's house.
Going to her grandma's house.
I wonder if the door actually opens. But we're gonna find out. Is the door open? Oh, there's Grandma. Oh! Well, that's actually kind of cool that it just stays like that. I think it's cool how they make these, like, they make it Lego, but it's like also animatronic. I think it's really cool and neat how they do that. Look it's the three little piggies, Hansel and Gretel, Jack and the Beanstalk, Billy Goat's Gruff, Aladdin, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, Cinderella, and Little Red Riding Hood.
Look at the three little pigs.
Look at the three little piggies.
Starting a band.
Yeah! Watch your step while exiting.